Are you looking for an electric tricycle for adults that truly delivers, not just on performance but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in-depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric tricycle for adults you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Starting off our list strong, at number 5, we've got a product that perfectly blends quality with affordability. Number 5. LuxeVélo 500-watt electric tricycle for adults with 7-speed gears, removable 48-volt battery for smooth rides. At number 5, let's find out why it's becoming a favorite among smart shoppers. Looking for the best electric tricycle for adults that blends power, comfort, and safety? The LuxeVélo 500-watt electric trike is your go-to solution for smooth commuting and outdoor adventures. Featuring a 500-watt brushless motor and a 48-volt, 13-amp-hour removable lithium battery, this three-wheel e-bike hits speeds up to 20 miles per hour and offers up to 70 miles in pedal assist mode. Certified with GCC UL 2849 and UL 2272 standards, it ensures high-quality performance and safety. 24-inch wheels, 7-speed gear system, and triple suspension setup guarantee a stable and cushioned ride across city streets, beaches, or hilly terrain. Choose from 3 riding modes: full electric, pedal assist, or manual, based on your trip. With hydraulic disc brakes, an adjustable seat, and a removable basket, it's both practical and rider-friendly. Built from lightweight aluminum and designed for versatility, the LuxeVélo trike is ideal for everyday errands or weekend getaways. Watch now to see why it's the perfect ride for adults. Moving on to number 4, this one brings some real innovation to the table. Number 4. MOONCOOL aluminum frame electric trike with cargo basket, 48-volt long-range battery, and step-through design. Coming in at number 4, we have a solid performer that delivers beyond expectations. Looking for the best electric tricycle for adults that's powerful, foldable, and built for everyday convenience? The MOONCOOL electric trike delivers with a 48-volt, 500-watt motor and a 14.5-amp-hour removable battery, offering a smooth, reliable ride up to 45 miles per charge. With a sturdy 6061 aluminum frame and rear speed differential, it provides excellent torque, reduced startup slippage, and enhanced stability on various terrains. Certified to UL 2849 and UL 2272 safety standards, this trike ensures high performance with top-tier safety. The foldable design makes it easy to store in small spaces, perfect for commuters or those with limited storage. Equipped with spacious front and rear baskets, it's ideal for grocery runs, errands, or weekend adventures. Its 20-inch wheels, front suspension, and single-speed simplicity offer comfort and ease for riders of all levels. Whether you're seeking freedom, function, or fun, the MOONCOOL electric tricycle checks every box. Watch now to see why it's a smart choice for adult riders. Now, stepping into the top 3, things are getting even more interesting. Number 3. Qlife Triker folding electric trike with 750-watt brushless motor for adults, up to 50 miles, and removable battery. At number 3, it's striking the perfect balance between style, performance, and price. Looking for the best electric tricycle for adults that combines power, comfort, and convenience? Meet the Qlife Triker electric bike, a folding step-through 3-wheel e-bike built for effortless rides and everyday utility. Powered by a 750-watt peak brushless motor, it reaches speeds up to 16 miles per hour and tackles hills and city streets with ease. The 468-watt-hour removable battery provides up to 50 miles per charge, perfect for long commutes or weekend adventures. With disc brakes and a rear differential, you'll enjoy stable, safe braking on all terrains. Choose from manual, pedal assist, or full electric modes to customize your ride. The foldable carbon steel frame, front suspension, and 20-inch wheels ensure a smooth and compact ride that fits riders from 4'9" to 6'2". Whether you're running errands or enjoying the outdoors, the front and rear baskets offer ample storage. Easy to fold and store, the Qlife Triker is the perfect companion for modern, eco-friendly mobility. Watch now and ride smarter. We're almost at the top, and this next one could easily have been number 1 for many users. Number 2. Geemax 20-inch fat tire electric tricycle with large rear basket, powerful motor, perfect for beach and outdoor rides. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, it stands out for its premium build and next-level reliability. Discover the best electric tricycle for adults with the Geemax 3-wheel electric bike, built for comfort, power, and everyday convenience. Featuring a 36-volt, 350-watt high-speed brushless motor and a 13-amp-hour lithium battery, this trike reaches speeds up to 20 miles per hour and delivers up to 40 miles in pedal assist mode. Its 4-inch fat tires offer unbeatable traction on sand, snow, gravel, and pavement, making it perfect for all-terrain adventures. The upgraded LCD display keeps you informed on speed, battery life, distance, and assist level, with 3 riding modes and 5 speed options for a fully customizable ride. Carbon steel frame, smooth braking system, and adjustable seat and handlebars ensure safety and comfort for riders of all ages. With a large rear basket, it's ideal for running errands or cruising your neighborhood. Arriving 50% pre-assembled with easy instructions and a video guide, the Geemax electric trike makes riding fun, safe, and practical. Watch now and upgrade your ride. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best among all. Number 1. Narek 750-watt electric tricycle for adults with fat tires, hydraulic brakes, up to 20 miles per hour speed. At number 1, the crown goes to unmatched in performance, value, and user satisfaction. Looking for the best electric tricycle for adults? Meet the Narek electric trike, a powerhouse on 3 wheels. With a 750-watt motor, peaking at 1350 watt, and an advanced rear hub differential system, this trike offers smooth, stable rides even on turns. The UL-certified 48-volt, 13-amp-hour battery delivers up to 50 miles in pedal assist mode, perfect for long commutes or leisure rides. Its foldable aluminum frame supports up to 290 pounds and features 20 into 4 inches fat tires, hydraulic brakes, and dual baskets for ultimate comfort and practicality. Switch between pedal assist, walk mode, or full electric with the intuitive LCD M5 display that keeps you informed on speed, distance, and battery life. Whether you're running errands, cruising the neighborhood, or exploring, this Step-Thru trike is built for ease, safety, and style. Pre-assembled 85% for fast setup and backed by a responsive US-based support team, the Narek electric tricycle redefines adult mobility. Don't miss out, watch now and ride smart. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.